I have made my triumphant return to Disneyland. I haven't been here since December because my magic key expired and I didn't renew it. It is later in the day because it is really hot today. I'm still like sweating, and there's a lot of nighttime entertainment for the 70th that I want to see, so we'll see how much I can do in one day. Sorry, my hair is like freaking out because it's so hot. Yeah, I'm really excited. So agenda for today, check out the merch, of course. I'm gonna get a cold brew right now, a honey one, something to eat. What else? Oh yeah, whatever like nighttime things we can see. They kind of overlap, so I have to like pick and choose, so we'll just see like what part of the park I'm at. Oh, I want to get those like little souvenirs. Oops, sorry, the train. Okay, last thing I want to do is get the like little ticket souvenirs that you can get with your Magic Band. My friend was just here and she said that not all of them were like up and working yet, but it's so cute as like a scrapbooker. I definitely need it for my scrapbook or memory planner. So let's the first drop of the 70s stuff came out. We were all trolling so hard because we were like, Disney's is so ugly. And then they released the stuff like closer to the actual 70th day, and we're like, okay, you guys got us because this shit's really cute. I came to get the wedge chili potato and they're closed. I thought the mobile order was just sold out, but they're actually closed. And now I am so hungry. I don't know where to go. Cold brew I want is at the barbecue bear thing, whatever they rethemed it to, but I don't want any barbecue or like brisket sandwich. Do I get a corn dog? Better than I thought it would be. The tamale didn't have to be fried. It already had a lot of flavor, but it was good. Glad I tried it. honey cold brew from the Country Bear barbecue. Oh, it's good. It's strong. That was so cool. I haven't seen it in 10 years. I didn't take great videos. And then now it's time for the fireworks.
You don't pay attention. We're not paying attention.
From Disneyland, I am watching my friend's dog, so that's why the background is different. But I had such a wonderful first day back to the parks. It was so nice. It started off great because on the tram from the parking lot to the entrance, I actually saw one of the cats. I have not seen a Disney cat since before COVID. Like, I used to see them all the time at California Adventure, where that grizzly water ride is close to the Grand Californian entrance. Like, they would always just be hanging out there. I haven't seen them since I had a pass last time. Today I saw it laying somewhere I've never seen before. It was in the grassy area on the side of the little road that goes from the parking lot to the entrance. So I was so excited. It was really fluffy and creamy colored and really pretty. So that started off today, right? So I got in area to watch the parade around 8:20 or 8:25, and it started at 8:45, and it was nice. By the time it got to us, because it starts from It's a Small World and I was on Main Street, it was 9 o'clock. It started at 8:45, so about 15 minutes, but then it went until 9:20, which was great. The parade was amazing. They haven't had it since, I think it was the 60th, so 10 years ago. And I remember I had a pass then, and it was great. I was a huge raver at that time, so I loved it, clearly. It's still awesome. And then right after, you can watch the fireworks. So I just moved up and watched the fireworks from Main Street, and it was really lovely. The fireworks always make me want to cry, and this was Wondrous, which I guess is not new, but I don't really remember it because I don't stay for the fireworks that often. But this was, yeah, it was very emotional. It was lovely. And then I went and got all of the tickets. So really glad I found them. This guy who was at the Frontierland one actually helped me find the one in Adventureland, because if he didn't tell me where it was, I wouldn't have found it. Like it was hidden. So that was really nice. The tickets look great. I will turn you around and show you like the tickets and then what I got, which was only a couple things for my friend. So this is the one from Main Street. It was from the theater. And I love that you can use your magic band. I think you have to be a magic key holder to actually get it, but use your magic band and then you know, the little ticket comes out. This is from the Jungle Cruise. And which is nice because honestly, I don't feel like we can do that much with our magic band. This is the railroad. So there were 3 of them at Frontierland, and again, good thing that guy was there because I only got the first one. I thought they just had multiple stations for that one to like prevent lines, but I was wrong. And I would have missed 2 of them. It was between like the store and the Golden Horseshoe. The tickets are really nice, like really nice quality. Like a really nice souvenir considering it's free. So I love these. They're gonna go in the scrapbook. And then the gold sequin conductor hat. They did such a good job with this. This was like a brilliant stinking merchandising with this one. And it says the 70th on it. Whoops, too close. This is so cute. If it fit me, I have a fairly large head, I would get it, but they only had small mediums left, and it's a little too tiny. Lastly, we got this Pandora charm, and it's for the 70th. Park exclusive, Disneyland. Oh, look at that shimmer. Try to focus in, there we go. And yeah, it's like holographic, rainbowy glitter. It's so cute. The lady who was working there, oh, I gotta leave her a compliment. She was so nice. She was like, oh, it looked really good on a necklace. It's like, oh my God, you're right. But yeah, so this is I can't see. My eyes are really poor, but that has some design. But I think this is really cute. It has like a castle on the other side, but I mean, the D is backwards, which, you know, you can't really wear it this way, but I love that detail is there. And of course I love the rainbow glitter. I was sold. I just got to get a chain now, but really I got it for my friend, and then I was influenced. All right, that is my day, my first triumphant return to Disneyland. I had a wonderful day. Yeah, thanks for joining me, and there'll be more Disney trips. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you want to see in particular, and I'll try to do it. There's still a lot of stuff I need to see, like I need to see the fireworks from Star Wars Land. I need to see there's a projection thing at Star Wars, which I need to see. There's a Small World projection, and I need to get a better seat for Paint the Night. There is like a 70th tour I want to do that talks about, like, you know, the nerdy behind the scenes stuff of Disney. And of course, I'm into that stuff. So lots to come. Thanks for following along. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.